For the past few months, I have been troubled by joint pain and been taking painkillers to get relief. For the moment, I thought my pain was being relieved, but it kept coming back again. I needed a solution to address the root cause of my joint pain. After coming across a Facebook ad from Vedistry, I heard about GO365 NutriTab. Out of curiosity, I also read that it not only provides relief from joint pain but also helps in cartilage regeneration. Upon further reading, I also found that GO365 NutriTabs are a unique combination of nutraceuticals, vitamins and minerals which are more effective than others. I used it with GO365 ointment to reduce joint and muscle pain externally as well. I took it for 1 or 2 months and saw results. I continued using it for 3 months until my joint pain gradually stopped. I recommend GO365 Joint Care Kit for anyone suffering from joint pain.